2, 3, 4. Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the sale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight.
It ain't ever about the money.
It's not about the money, money, money.
We don't need the money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. It ain't about the cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about the bling, bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Price tag. Forget about the price tag.
Won't you come see about me? I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me your troubles and doubts, giving me everything inside and out. Don't you forget about me, just the way you are. As you walk on by, will you call my name? As you walk on by, will you call my name? As you walk on by, will you call my name? Tomorrow, let's do it tonight. Forget what they say, over there they play. I want you tonight. Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything.
Take advantage tonight, cause tomorrow I'm off to do battles before for princess. But tonight, I can make you my queen and make you love you business. This ain't the way they ain't growing money. Keep flowing, hustle through the side, so I tiptoe in it. Keep blowing, I got it locked down like Lindsay Lohan. Put it on my lap, baby. I make it feel right, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight, darling.
Excuse me, but I might drink a little more than I should tonight. I might take you home with me if I can tonight. Baby,
Forget about me.
yeah, tonight. Might not get tomorrow tonight.
Let's do it tonight.
What a show!
I think we have just seen some a cappella history being made, John.
And from an all-female group, Gail, I could never have called this one.
Never. Well, you are a misogynist at heart, so there's no way you would have bet on these girls to win.
Absolutely.
Weren't they incredible? Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up again for the Barney Mellows! Come on!
Told you. Endings are the best part.
You're such a weirdo.